obsessed with every splinter. When you know the wood is sturdy and won't break. Oh, it can be perfect when it's stuck in your head. Yeah, it's harder when it's something you make. Don't lose the forest for the tree.